What's happening at Unity Gym? Seriously, we've been a little bit behind our regular film schedule and also all of our production schedule because of this. Spin around and take a look. This is our new Unity Gym reception area, but most importantly, through that doorway is the new Unity V and Sound of Movement podcast studio, and we are so excited to roll this sucker out. So let's go take a walk through and I'll give you a tour of what's going on. The gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image. So you're gonna have to use your imagination a little bit because I still haven't finished the build and I'm doing a lot of the work myself, so it could take a while. But this is obviously our new reception area. Have a little squiz at this. There's gonna be two people working here, one there, one here, and most of the time it'll be Rad and Richie, but we might rotate every once in a while when someone needs some peace and quiet inside the studio. Then obviously we have our new entranceway, and we're going to have a little bit of a shop with some retail. We sell our kombucha, protein shakes, protein powder, stuff like that over the side here. This is going to be our new core values. Big, we've got an AO print, it looks epic, that's getting mounted here off the wall. It's actually printed on a plastic, it looks beautiful underneath the main light here. And then over here we've got our temporary reception area and office and everything else just piled up. It's pretty horrible, but this is going to be a new little sort of kitchenette and coffee bar, and we're hoping to get a reverse osmosis water filtration system installed over here for our members and guests, so you get the best quality water on the planet. And then there's going to be a beautiful coffee table that we've already got here with a few chairs around, and there's going to be a bar over here up against the window. So we'll have the 3 stools there, a bar that you can sit at and have a meal or a coffee or whatever else. We have the boys from Nespresso donating an amazing coffee machine for us. Thank you, boys, for that. And let's have a walk through and I'll show you what's happening in the studio. So this is the piece de la resistance, the creme de la creme, the thing that I'm the most excited about, because we are building a proper, fully functional podcast studio. So this is all soundproofed. There's a double glazed window going in here, so members and guests can peer in and sort of see what we're doing in here. Over in the corner here is going to be what we call the command station. This is where Kalisha, who's behind the camera right now, is going to be. Quickly flip the camera around and show your brand new haircut. It's very, very nice. Okay. So we're going to have 2 workstations here, big monitor setup. This is going to be where the production house is. This is actually going to be a raised floor with a stage here. Stepping up, and there'll be a banister along here. This is a custom-made shelving unit going in with all of our charging stations for cameras. We're going to have a lens shelf there with all the different lenses we use, microphones, all that sort of electrical kit and hardware. It's going to look beautiful. It's all carpeted into the wall. Then over here is going to be the main set. So we're going to have the lounge. We're getting a brand new lounge where we have guests sit on. We'll have host chairs, armchairs, some beautiful artwork on the wall. All of this corner and that back wall are getting soundproofed with these very, very nice custom-made soundproofing panels. The ceiling and the floor will be soundproofed. It's looking amazing, and it's going to be another couple of weeks before it's all finished perfectly, but we're getting very, very close. As you can see, it's starting to take shape. So if we're a little bit behind schedule, I do apologize. We are still going to be producing epic content. We rolled out 2 great new videos today. Make sure you check those out. I will link them in the description and also at the end of this video. And until next time, guys, keep training, keep crushing it, and send us all your comments. How exciting is this? We're going to be producing a very, very professional live show every day, and our podcast. It's going to be next level 2019. Look out. So thank you very much, Tribe. We appreciate you, and we appreciate every moment you give us to share our message, and we will catch you next week.